We want answers. So let's take a look. Well, as for Bitcoin, you guys know Bitcoin goes through cycles. Here's an interesting one. The 11-year trend. And you could see during some times Bitcoin is below that trend. Sometimes Bitcoin is above that trend, right? And you could see the downtrends, the percentage of downs, and the multipliers for ups, right? But one thing is interesting is we are way, way, way below that trend right now. Way below, right? We did fall down 77% from top, but the reason being is because our last top was premature. Had the Fed not announced that they were going to be very aggressive with rate hike due to inflation, our multiplier would have been higher and our dip would have just brought us below the 11 trend a little bit, but not nearly as much it is now, right? But why this is a good thing is because Bitcoin has been doing its thing, right? Has been affected by macro a little bit, but overall Bitcoin just continues forward and never looks back and does not pay attention to what's going on. Okay, Bitcoin is Bitcoin. So we will definitely recover. And since we are so below the trend line, who knows? Our next recovery could be way bigger than anyone expects. Could happen. Could definitely happen. This guy right here, I'm not too familiar with Greg Foss, but Greg Foss basically seems like he's a industry veteran for over 30 years. He has his own firm, but basically he manages risk. And it's interesting that he made this in this interview. He's like, Bitcoin is the greatest asymmetrical investment opportunity I've ever seen, managing risk for over 30 years. And he believes Bitcoin is going to go to 2 million, right? Kind of like what a lot of other industry guys have said. Once they understand, the people that truly understand about money, the way the government is endlessly printing and basically how it's not going to stop and the money printer just go keep going because of irresponsible spending, and it leads to irresponsible spending, right? If you understand that and you take that into account, then Bitcoin's future projected price is going to be in the millions because inflation is going to be sky high and it's never going to stop, right? Just think about that. I also saw this. PayPal also disclosed that they hold on about 600 million of customers' crypto, right? PayPal is one of those large fintech giants, and I'm not a fan of PayPal at all. They still have, as far as I know, they changed their term last time, so for disinformation, they could still charge you $2,500. And I don't know how that's not illegal. I don't know why Gary doesn't have a problem with that. That PayPal financial firm could just declare that they can charge customers $2,500 based on disinformation. Okay, somehow that is overlooked. But anyways, PayPal also offers crypto, right? And a lot of other these fintech companies offer crypto, and unfortunately, they don't allow people to withdraw. They just basically hold it for you, right? And PayPal's known to shut people out. They're known for locking someone out of their account and you can't withdraw. I've been through that, okay? This is why I'm not a fan of PayPal and try to stay away as much as I can. First of all, you don't want to be fined $2,500. Second of all, right, these kind of apps just, they lock you in. They don't allow you to withdraw, and that's not good. So be careful, right? If you are in crypto, utilize exchanges that actually offer you to self-custody, because that is the safest thing to do. But of course, there's caveats to that. When I say the safest thing to do, you still have to protect yourself with your self-custody wallet and make sure you don't lose the seed phrase, the recovery phrase, right? You don't get hacked, stuff like that. You still have to prepare. So there's still a little nuance to it. But overall, that's still better learning rather than having like PayPal hold your funds and then saying, okay, we're going to lock you out and then now you don't have access to it, right? That's even worse. All right. Now, moving on, what else is there? If you're worried about what's going on with staking, right? This is just a big endorsement to self-custody your own crypto. That's what it comes down to, right? You can still stake. You can still help power the networks that you believe in, power the chains, right, and collect staking rewards. But you just have to do so within your own wallet. You could download Trust Wallet, Ledger Wallet, Exodus Wallet. I mean, there's a ton of wallets. Even Coinbase Wallet. They all offer basically staking within. I don't know about Coinbase Wallet, but I have to double check on it. But most of these, or just native wallets from these chains, there's a lot of lightweight wallets you can download. There's some that's desktop wallets, right? And you can just stake yourself on your own computer, on your own phone, right? On your own wallet. You don't have to stake through exchange. It's convenient to, but you could definitely stake yourself. Is another reason why everyone should get involved and learn about self-custody wallets, how to operate one, and how to stake in one too. So there you go. There you go. And of course, short term, Bitcoin is moving according to 2019, basically, still almost to the T, in a bullish divergence. So waiting for the next leg up, right? But of course, the SEC has to throw a wrench in things, trying to scare the market. But you know what? Like all previous scares, Bitcoin does not care, and it will get past it and move forward. And unfortunately, you had a lot of long liquidations because too many people are still too greedy, playing too much leverage. In fact, we had like 250 million, according to this article, 250 million in longs liquidated yesterday. That's what brought us down to where we are, 21.8. But overall, we're down, but not out, not out.